Sounds good. The social media questions right from our Facebook group at, what was it? Facebook.com/group/your 401k. It's easier to just go to the Rock on the Money page and there's a link right into the group. It's a private group.
Yeah.
And, the Forex people are still trying to get in there. I won't let them in there. And the Bitcoins.
I don't know who that is. All I know is if you get
scammers.
in, just prepare yourself that Craig's going to be mean.
I'm passionate, I think is what the term we like to use here.
Passionate. Sorry.
Hey, we do have a podcast review.
Oh, nice.
Someone posted over on Apple Podcast or iTunes page. So SV Ford said, "Great podcast. I am so glad I found this podcast through their Facebook group about retirement. The information in the podcast is practical and logical. This podcast is great for when you're in debt or debt-free and building wealth. I especially like the segments on how to save money." I think that's you,
that's
Amanda.
me. Yeah.
That would be Savvy Savings with Amanda. I highly recommend the Facebook group, given the volatility in the market right now. Craig is a voice of reason, brings calm, clear. Hey, quit laughing. They're giving me a prop here.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm dad.
Did you pay this person for this?
No, I didn't do it. Go over on iTunes. It's there. Let me finish this. This is great. I'm actually patting myself on the back here. Craig is a voice of reason, brings calm, clear, concise information to the group. It truly is a public service for those looking to learn more about saving for retirement. I love this review. I just want to point.
Well, of course you do, because you get a really big suck up there.
Well, there was a thing about Savvy Savings in there.
Yeah, I got like a side note.
Yeah, but was it set? Was that Stu, Blonde Stu, or whatever last week? She gave you a sassy Stu.
Oh yeah, I was like, what are you talking about?
She gave you a big prop. So
I thought you were talking about my hair again.
Hey, we have some social media questions.
Yeah.
Let me do this one because I saw you commenting on this, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Take me off the ledge. I just paid off my car and it was paid off early. Yay! Right? Then why do I feel sick knowing my credit score is going to plummet? I need to refinance my condo to save a few $100 a month. I feel like I made a mistake. Let's just pause here for a second, because as I posted, she just did a drive-by about something major she just did.
Yeah.
She paid off her car early.
Yeah, ding.
That's amazing.
Ding, ding, ding.
Props to
winner, chicken dinner.
We have so many people in our group right now that are posting. Well, we've been doing the podcast now, for I think 9 months now.
Mm-hmm.
Don't think about that too hard, Amanda. I don't want you to run it off yet, but now we're starting to see the results of everything we've been doing. All of my yelling, my calm, concise, practical.
All your passion.
Well, my passion. But anyway, congratulations on paying that car off early. Get that debt knocked out. Now she's worried about her credit score. What do you say?
Yeah. First of all, I was super proud to see some of our other Facebook members posting the same thing I was posting at approximately the same time. We were typing at the same time, and our responses pretty much echoed themselves. So I'm really proud of our members for also knowing the right answer here. But one is like, take a deep breath. First of all, celebrate the fact that you paid off your car, as Craig had mentioned, and then take a deep breath. Your score is not going to plummet. That's a very dramatic word here.
That is pretty dramatic.
At worst, it's going to come down a couple of points, not even immediately. It might take a couple of months for that to show. It'll be a couple of points, but who cares? Because the lenders only care about thresholds. And once you're above a certain threshold, the number doesn't matter. Like if you have an 805 and then you go down to a 780, it doesn't matter because you're above the threshold for them to give you the best rates.
Yeah.
1 or 2 points isn't going to make a difference.
No, I bet it goes up.
It'll go down and then it'll go back up.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
I
should
wouldn't
be
worry
fine
about it. And, the lender's going to look at it and see that you paid off something on time or ahead of time, and that also works in your favor.
I'm just so proud of my kids in the group.
Yeah.
She's in the chat right now. She goes, "That's me." So she
yeah,
is
good
listening right now. We're recording this podcast live. We've been doing that lately so people can watch, and we turn these things into YouTube videos later. So it's great. Good job, girl. Seriously.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, good job.